Hey folks, JD here, and today we're going to unbox this. I think I know what it is. I've only just opened it up, just pushed down these two flaps of the boxes, but I haven't actually looked in it yet. I think I know what it is. I think it's my impulse buy. If you can see the blue here, you probably, well, there you go, that probably gives it away a little bit, but there's more to it than just that. Impulse buy. So, you might know, you might not, but I am an absolute sucker for, I could have just left it there, an absolute sucker for limited edition consoles. I absolutely love a limited edition console, and the PlayStation Slim Pink is one of those limited edition consoles. That looks amazing, look at that. That looks great. That does look wonderful. Little bit of cleaning needed, but it is remarkably clean. It's not sticky either. The buttons feel really nice. Wow, I don't think that's been used that much, not by the feel of it. And the cable is remarkably clean too. Okay, let's put that to one side. Let's move this. Let's have a little look at the console, which is wrapped up really well. Okay, let me get my 3D printer snipples. And if I just snip off the top here a little bit, I should be able to just pull out the console quite nicely. So as I say, I had this for a steal. This was a last minute bargain that I had watched, put in my watch list on eBay. And then the seller dropped the price. And then the seller dropped the price again. And then the seller dropped the price again. So I think, if memory serves, I picked this up for under £70 with all these games as well, which we'll have a little look at in more detail shortly. Oh, I'm trying to be careful how I open this. There we go. Oh, look at that. A little bit of a mark there, but that's not a scratch. That's okay, that'll come out. That looks lovely. That really looks nice. Nice and clean. Look at that. Really impressed by how clean the inside is. And you can see, look, usually the outside of a console will fade, but the inside, where it's nice and covered, usually doesn't. But look, you can see it hasn't faded. Of course, this is meant to be a different colour pink, so don't look at this. But these two here, look at that. That's remarkable. Nice, clean laser. Nice, clean mechanism. Even the underneath, look, is clean. Look at that. Beautiful. Have a look at the front. Again, look, remarkably clean. Infrared, USB, your standard controller ports, and then you've got your memory card ports as well. Again, so clean. Beautiful this is. A Yoda I've turned into. I've even said that like Yoda too. DC in, AV multi-out, digital out, and also your networking, which was a nice addition to the Slims. All feet are intact, which is, as you've seen me say in previous videos, I always look for intact feet. Nice label, nice sticker on the back. A little bit of pen there. Oh, that's coming off actually on my thumb, my finger. Do you know what? That's beautiful. That's lovely. Okay, let's put that to one side and let's have a look and see what else we've got. So let's move all this stuff. Oh look, they've even used pink elastic bands. There's the AV out, SCART, even though I've got a nice little device. I'll take off the video, left and right audio, and I'll plug it into my computer, into my little AV to HDMI. Power supply, nice, genuine Sony, perfect. Again, remarkably clean. All of this is remarkably clean and doesn't look as if it's been that used either. And then standard plug, figure of 8 lead, perfect. Now then, oh look, genuine Sony red memory card. Wow, I don't remember the last time I saw one of these. Usually black or black are the usual colours for these. But I think I had a green one for the PlayStation 1, I think. I had a green see-through one. Lovely, that's great. Now let's have a look at some of these games. What have we got? Oh, look at that. Straight off the bat, 4 brilliant games. Simpsons game, never played that one. Wacky Races, Dastardly and Muttley. I mean, you gotta love Dastardly and Muttley anyway, just from the cartoons. Is that, please let it be a racing game? Yes! Awesome. Final Fantasy, Roman numerals. Can't work that out. Worms, Forts Under Siege. That was alright, that game was. Do you know what? I'm just going to pick one of these at random. Wow, look. Superb condition. Oh, maybe not so much. Oh, most of that is fingerprints. I can get rid of that. That's no problem. Let's try this one. Again, really great condition. A couple of creases in the manual, but again, nothing to shout about. Oh, come on. I hate these. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's been well used. I might have to send some of these off to be resurfaced. It's not that much of a big deal. It's quite cheap to do. Final Fantasy, I reckon this is... Oh, is that the map? Oh, the final word. Oh, there we go. Nice. Not been written in either. Perfect. And then, if I just turn that over, loads of scratches. These have been really well used. That's amazing. I don't know if they've been really well used in this pink console, mine, because that console looks brand new. What else have we got? I don't really care for any of those. I mean, Sims, that's always funny to build a wall around your Sims and watch them panic and die. Sims 2, same. But I'll be definitely selling the rest of these. Kingdom Hearts, Charlie's Angels. Definitely, indeed, we'll be selling those. Let's just pick one of these at random. Let's pick the Sims. Oh, that's a nice cover. Oh, is that like an RPG? Looks like it. I might have to investigate that. Is that Jack Skeleton? Yes, it is. Okay, I might have to play that then. Let's have a look at this. Oh, a couple of scratches, but again, that's okay. Magnificent. Never been written in either. Beautiful. Okay, I might have to give that one a go. Let's put it in that pile. There we go. Wow, do you know what? I'm astounded. Let's just have a quick little look. So let's get everything out for the minute. So let's just pop out the games that I know I'm going to keep. And then let's pop out the rest of this nice little console. Look at that. I'm astounded at the actual condition of it. Absolutely astounded. So there we go. Yeah, really, 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 really chuffed with all of this. I'm going to have fun playing this. I think this is going to be... I'm going to swap out, I think, my older PS2. And I might even use this as my standard. I was essentially going to buy it as a keepsake upstairs for if I'm whenever I'm editing videos or writing and recording music. I like to have a console near me so I can just pop a game in if I'm waiting for the videos to edit or whatever. So I was going to use this for that, but I might actually swap it out for my actual silver PlayStation, because that looks stunning. There we are. That's great. Well, there we are, my friends. I'm really looking forward to using that. But thanks ever so much for watching and listening, my friends. I will be back tomorrow with more on this console. Until then, I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome. And to the new subscribers, I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy gaming.